Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. All right, we're looking at SBFM. All right, so what happened is you can see the action in the pre-market, okay? Huge reaction. Why? Check this press release, okay? So anytime you can say jumps after study for mRNA cancer treatment, okay? I mean, anytime you can put that in a press release and, you have to read through it, I mean, it looked pretty awesome, okay? Now, it's a low float, 3.92 million in the float. I mean, that's the only way something like this can go up as much. I mean, it's up 138% right now. And this almost went straight up. Had a little jog right there on the open, and then once the market opened, it got right up to 683. Remember, this started down here at 240 from yesterday. Now, it has pulled back a lot. What I'm waiting for right now, and as I said in the room, what I'm waiting for right now is maybe a breakout of this 550 mark again on some volume. Look how the volume has kind of dwindled. Ever since that initial flurry, the volume has kind of dwindled. So what we need, in my opinion anyway, is it to break out through the 650 on some volume. I want to see a nice big volume bar, and it may start to challenge this area up here again. This is an all-time high, so there's nothing else really stopping it. But what made the trade great was, of course, the news, and you put cancer in a headline, and that is going to draw a lot of attention. So that is what made SBFM today's great trade. All right, I want to get back into the room. So any questions for me, you can, this is the email address you can use. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.